Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, as you guys have just seen, we finally got the 4-valve motor back in the vehicle. Before we get into talking anymore about the build, guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe. We're going to be doing some amazing things in the next few videos, and hopefully we get this motor running the way we need it to run so we can make some drifting videos, some racing videos, pretty much anything you guys want to see is gonna definitely be happening finally now that we got this motor back together. The gold and red color scheme, the gold, black and red, definitely is growing on me. It looks really unique and I like it a lot compared to the blue. The blue was fine, but because the engine bay was dirty and rusty and all that stuff, it just wasn't popping like that. Like as you guys can see behind me, that color scheme pops with that gold in there. In the next video, gonna complete the wiring, put oil in it, change the filter, pretty much just put everything together, put the radiator in, fill it with coolant, let the car idle, make sure it comes up to operating temp. Once it comes up to operating temp, then I'm gonna go take it for a drive, check for leaks, stuff like that, and then I believe I'm gonna leave some conventional oil in it for the first like 500 miles. I'm gonna vary the RPM for those first two gas tanks, like you know, some idle in, some first, second, third pulls, and then go like to fifth and just cruise. Gonna try to vary the load on the engine because I don't want to baby it, breaking it in. I want to actually put it through its paces so that I know that when I want to do it, I didn't just idle it and drive it, and now that I want to beat on it, it's braking. So I definitely didn't come up with any kind of braking scheme from looking on YouTube or looking on Google. A lot of people just say slap the motor together and, you know, beat the crap out of it right out the gate. A lot of other guys say wait 2,000 miles. A lot of guys say wait 1,000 miles, wait 500 miles. Let me know what you guys think below. No main bearings, no connecting rod bearings, no head gaskets, all that stuff, no piston rings, all that good stuff. So what do you guys think? How long should I, like, you know, pet it around, baby it up before we start beating on this thing? Let me know in the comments. I really haven't got a good answer on that. Also, when it comes to making the exterior of the car look good, we have some very cool mods that we are going to be working with, and I'm not gonna spoil it just yet, but this thing is gonna look pretty sick when I'm done with it. The overflow pipes, if you notice, I don't have those in the front anymore, and in the back we have the cooling head mod from MMR. I also ordered a coolant crossover pipe delete kit from MMR. It's pretty much gonna put two AN lines here and then go into like a some form of a gooseneck that goes into a radiator hose. I found this thing, the coolant crossover delete thing, BST Ford channel. I'm definitely gonna put his link above and also below in the description. You guys really need to check him out for anything 2-valve, 4-valve, and coming real soon 3-valve related. So he's definitely the Ford guy, and if you follow his videos, you're not gonna break the bank to build what he's been building. That's kind of the gist of it. Same here, you know, you might look and say, well, this is a lot of paint, but it's actually spray can through and through. So you know, I'm doing my best on a budget just like he is. And also another good guy for the 4-valve motors is Mike's Garage. We already talked about him in the last video. He's a really good guy on these motors as well. When it comes to like having a community, you're really not gonna find two better guys than BST Ford channel and Mike's Garage when it comes to inquiring about 4-valve swaps and pistons, rods, cranks. I mean, pretty much anything you can ask them, they'll most likely know the answer to it, and they have no problem helping out. So we're really building a pretty cool new edge Crown Vic, you know, this kind of community that revolves around 4.6 liters, whether it's 2-valve, 4-valve, 3-valve, it doesn't matter, pretty much any motor. And yeah, so that's pretty much all I have for you guys for today. In the next video, we are going to be starting this thing up for the very first time. I cannot wait for that. I am extremely nervous because I don't know how it's gonna run, but there's only one way to find out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Always remember, don't drift without your dreams, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.